So I start off by making my sauce, which is going to go right on top of the pizza. And if you've seen some of my videos before, we're making the coconut curry sauce, which is using the Delight Pho broth. We just take it right out of the bag, rip it, put it into the sauce with the coconut milk and the butter. Add a little sriracha to heat it up a little bit, and then the curry. Now, put as much curry in as you like, and mix that together. And then what we're going to do is just put that right on top of the pizza after we've cooked the chicken. And I added a little bit of cheese, and we're going to cook this in our outdoor Uni pizza oven. And I'm still trying to perfect the cooking on the pizza oven, but as you can see, it's a little bit of a challenge, but at the end, it came out really, really good. And as long as you don't burn it too much, you can serve it to your guests, and it comes out fantastic each time.